Yo, how we doing, guys? Wednesday, hump day's here. Hope everyone's good. Right, news today. I'm not actually quite sure. I haven't really had a good look yet. Just Joel's job opens at 10 AM on the hour. Just to be wary of that. I think we're PMI tomorrow. And FMC Friday, innit? Yes, FMC Friday. Sweet. Alright, what we got? Right, let's get the poll up. Not really sure on my bias today, to be honest. Bias for this session. I think initially I'm thinking we're going to get a pullback, aren't we? Yeah, let me know what you're thinking, guys. I am thinking. Yeah, I'm thinking an initial pullback, at least to 382. My thoughts. I could see us getting heavier, coming down, taking a lower day, potentially down at 298 on the on Nasdaq. We shall see. We shall see. Fucking flying, eh? Right, 30 seconds and we're open. Get myself ready. I think I'm all good. Hotkey set up. Right account. I haven't got Discord open. Fuck now, man. Alright, we're open. So how they doing, man? Lewis, how you doing, mate? How you doing? Early for you. Stoney, how you doing, fella? Alright, here we go. There's that pullback I was expecting. Nice winning trade this morning during the London session. Nice short from the highs. Oh, thank you. I've got my lunch here, lads. I have to multitask. Just taking the rest of the week off. Last week was nice to me, so I decided to sit this one out. How have you been? Yes, mate, not too bad, man, not too bad. It's nice to be in a good enough position where you can just, I'll take the week off. Must be cool, man, it must be cool. I should actually be in along on the practice account. Oh, fuck me. I should have been along from the practice account, but I've got that $50 fucking bracket order set up, and I. You numpty. Try again. Practice account, yeah, nice. Yeah, listen, mate, I've not been too bad, man. Just cracking on, cracking on. I had a nice win on the London session this morning. But I'm break even on September so far because I had a loss on Monday. Trying to trade Asia. Trying to trade the Asian session. Which isn't in my rule book. But I like the idea of the trade, so. Oh, the poll is going long today. Interesting. I was taken off as we were trying to sort the house survey out, so a lot of brain power being used. Yeah, mate, it's shit like that. You can't focus on anything else, can you? Well, you'll have to excuse me, boys, while I eat my lunch. I'll try not to jam in the mic. Nathan, yo, man, how you doing? Hope you're keeping well. This is good, man. Like a nice little mayo snack wrap. Nice little bit of battered chicken. Lettuce. Right, we're in a short. We're in a short, lads. We're in a short. Alright, stops out on that. Need to focus on this. Oh shit, I should have been out earlier on that one, paying attention. You knobhead. Should have been out here before being stopped. Got the exit signal there. Rookie mistake. This storm's where you are, Sam. Belting it down here. Cat's outside sitting in the garden, loving it, little cran. Quality, yeah. It's not too bad right now. It was this morning. To the point where I actually drove to work, and I always scooter into work normally. I only live like a couple of minutes away. I saw the weather this morning and thought, fuck that. Yeah, I lost myself about 7 points there. I wasn't paying attention. $140. Can't be having that, man. Stupid mistake. I'm fucking around with saying on the practice account. Lewis, so you said you're sorting out a house server. Is that on the one where they're taking the grass? Or is this on another one? No, another good. I'm glad. I was going to say, I hope it's going to be another one. But then I thought, I better not say that just in case it is that one. Bin them off, nice. Renault project. What, you're the one that you're looking at now is the Renault? The back in shorts. It's definitely got a short bias today, this indicator. Stop out. Yeah, the fact that we're not getting any buy signals means it wants a short. Wanted to post some C to the seller, but Katie told me out. That you should have done for the shits and giggles. Viewed it Monday. Offer accepted yesterday morning. Solicitor and mortgage instructor survey. Friday, nice man. All hands on deck then. It's all going on, man. Good luck for it, though, mate. I hope it all goes through. I can't even imagine the stress of it. Fucking Will, how you doing, man? How's it going? Yeah, not too bad, mate. Taking a win this morning on the funded. So I'm up about $150 on overall 3 funded accounts. Down slightly on the indicator this morning. So far, at least. Randomly got billed today from Top Step for a refund, even though it's now express funded. What? That's bizarre. I mean, you should be able to message them and they should sort it out, hopefully. Should refund you. Waiting for Joel to think we're alone. Dear. Crystal Sound, okay. I was coming in with a short bias. The indicator is giving a short bias at the minute. Yeah, could potentially push up. See what the news brings. What have we got? 15 minutes. They sorted it out, but not sure how they mess it up. Good service though from Top Step, to be fair. Sorted it out. Okay, that's not too bad. Yeah, at least they sorted it. Good that there's no funny business going on. Leo, good morning. How you doing, fella? Enjoying your holiday still, I hope. To be fair, I'm saying I'm short bias. I'm actually long bias on this TradeDay one. Looking for a higher day. On the practice account. It seems like Putin could be currently speaking, talking about Ukraine and stuff. Could be a reason for the chop. Another short signal here. That's me. Maybe another stop out. Oh, day is getting worse and worse. I know it's gone well actually. I've defeated the Levy fan. What's that? Is that something in RuneScape? That is good. Levy. Massive fearsome sea monster. Mentioned in the Hebrew Bible. Sounds like it's going to be RuneScape. Yeah. Folded bro. Was break even, then took a trade end of day. That stopped me out because they lost a minute, not because stop loss. That's it, and then it smashed take profit. It would have put me way up for the day. The TradeDay. Asians, I know I'm not supposed to, and blew all 5 funders and some combos. I'm not trading. No trading if you're on. Oh man. As soon as I saw you said you traded Asian, I was like, oh no. I know you don't trade Asia. Unlucky, Taco Man, unlucky. Maybe sharp pullback when Jolt's news drops. Yeah, potentially. What we got? 8 minutes. So for Jolt's, high time frame is still bullish. Yeah. Trade's looking alright. You guys don't use that saying what? Defeating the Levy fanners for when you do something very difficult. Oh, I assumed it was something you were playing in RuneScape. What did you do that was difficult? I assume you didn't actually defeat a sea monster. Didn't have used my Asian session trading rules on my strat at first, or else I would have been good. When that cut me, because the trader was right at the end of New York, but no excuses on me. Yeah, I mean, it can be dodgy at that time, can't it, man? End of New York session, New York close can be a scary time to trade. Sometimes it's in your favor, sometimes it's not. We can't do 5 thunders, 2 of them are at 1,800. So our first month without my second job and I get a payout would have been fire, yeah. Keep your chin up though, man. Keep your chin up. Oh, getting a payout from Apex. Oh, okay, I get you now, Leo. Yes, to be fair. That's what I said to you. I was like, it's hard to get a payout in the first place. To get a payout from Apex, that's an achievement, man. By fair play. And he said it wasn't possible, but I climbed that mountain. I mean, that's it. You said if you know the rules and you play by the rules, they'll pay you, which they have. So yeah, fair play, man. Mention of a short signal. Being fair, tops up rules are undefeated, take profit too. Well, yeah, the only thing about take profit is the intraday drawdown on the pro account. That can be, I think that's a bit harsh, I think. But yeah, top step rules are decent, and they really. Well, Putin said let Zelensky come to Moscow and the meeting will happen. I would not want to be Zelensky going to Moscow, man. Be a big price on his head. Right, I've had a close signal on that last bar, so I'm out of that. The episode of Apex has been able to trade 20 accounts and being able to request every penny out of £5. Yeah, and they're quite relatively cheap, aren't they? Is that right? I'm sure someone said like $30 an account the other day. Fucking mad. Right, 2 minutes till news. If you do eventually break down lower, I should be in a good position to profit. got this running to 345 if we close under 90 in the next 5 minutes, do you reckon? Moscow people seem to fall off balconies. Like, yeah, I know. That's why I wouldn't want to be him going to Moscow. First night in his hotel would be a goner. Alright, 15 seconds till news. Hope we didn't get a stop out. Very close to a stop out. Look at that whip, man, to my stop loss. There we go, now stop down. I don't love being in a long on a news bar, but we'll do it, we'll do it. We got a Fed teaser on the mic now as well. I'm on a trade for the closure, just my setup. I've meant an average of 418, yeah. So when Putin travels, there's a dude responsible for picking up his urine and shit and bringing it back to Russia. Fuck off. You're having a laugh, surely not. Why? What would be the reason? They don't want he doesn't want anyone to have his DNA. Scared that they're gonna clone him. Great job title as a logger. The report was saying it's because they don't want like CIA and analysing his shit for clues of his Hell fucking hell. The piss taker. Like a hot fuzz PI system. Brilliant. Right, as soon as we take higher day, if we take higher day, I'll be trading aggressive. Be the concerning medication he's on. Yeah, okay, yeah. I mean, I suppose it's actually pretty valid, to be fair, isn't it? Like, a lot can happen in the world stage if you find out one of the world leaders is dramatically ill, or can change a lot of things, can't it? Maybe he's like one of these famous stars sending his bathwater online. Every penny counts some more. Yeah, next he'll have a GoFundMe set up. I would love to know how much the geezer gets paid to collect Putin's shit and piss. I was going to say, like, surely, like, it's going to be flushed, you know what I mean? But I suppose CIA or someone would be able to contract some sort of filtration device further down the sewage line to catch his shit only. Solly, yo, how you doing, mate? I feel like you probably entered at the wrong time then. We're just talking about apparently Putin pays a geezer to collect his shit and piss when he travels abroad. I would dig that shit out for sure, yeah. They'll have a great big sieve on his the other side of the U-bend. Well, we need to get above this 440 level. Lovely close up. Swept the highs. My stop's trailed. Definitely taking that high, aren't we? Yep. Nice little win there on the practice account. was watching Homeland, I bet CIA would implode the building just to get to boot and shit. Who's taking that job? I mean, to be fair, mate, he's probably paying 100 grand a year at least. It's an important job. I would have said if he's that concerned about it, it's got to be an important job. And I would definitely pick up his shit and piss for 100 grand a year. To be fair, actually, no, I don't think I would. Because if you do a bad job, if you miss one day, you're going to fall off a balcony, ain't you? So it's probably not worth it. Like, out on that. What did I get out of that then? Probably should have just gone for the highs, but want to see if we push through aggressively. That was my entry. $20 points out of that. Not amazing, but shows some of the damage off for the day so far. I'm even afraid of typing CIA a lot on the line, to be real. That's the money for prop firm. 100 grand plus the keeping of his and his family's life. Yeah, that's it. It's not even just you, is it? You got to worry about. Are you trading the indicator strategy or the volume profile? I am trading the indicator on this account, on the trade profit account, and volume profile on the funded. Had a win this morning on the funded, up 150 over all three, and this trade on the practice account was saying new I've been trying. Another signal here. Busy day today, boys. Oh, not quite yet. Not quite. On tape of challenge, tape of trader challenge. Yes, on tape of trader challenge, I'm trading the indicator. Today, Lewis, mate. Enjoy the rest of your day, man, and yeah, good luck with everything as well. Keep me updated if you can, if you want, obviously. That 3 green accounts today: practice account, funded account, tape profit trader. Oh yeah, tape profit trader's red at the minute. At the minute, still going on it, still going. The last trade was a winning trade. Trading stop or hit 20 points. Or it went short. Yeah, green on the funded and green on the practice account today. Stopped out on that one. Long. I hate it when it's like on the verge. Today's just a horrible day. Lots of consolidation. Yeah, it's been a bit of a choppy one, isn't it? Not been a great day for the indicator today. So far, at least, anyway. Lots of entries. Best case scenario now, though. This is a little, the sweet to pull back, and now we blast up. That'd be nice. If it can do that, that'd be cool. What's the balance on the fundeds now? The balance is 942 on that one. It'll be around the same on the others. One's 960, one's 942, one's 959. So I'm almost back at the 1k level. Almost there. Slowly grinding it back. Yeah, today I'm trading the edges, target in the middle of the range. Oh, mate, that's a good call today. It's a good call today. So you think you're over trading? Mate, I'm just following the indicator. So I'll do whatever it tells me to do. Sometimes it's one signal, sometimes it's 10. But in the long run, it works out quite nicely. And it's only a challenge account, do you know what I mean? So I'm not, I'm just sort of trying this indicator out. On the funders, I've only taken one trade today. Probably be the only one I take. Nice closing that 1 minute bar. Indicator works well on trending markets and consolidation. It feels like it's better being off yet. I agree with you there, mate. It's difficult on the consolidation days. The trouble is though, consolidation can turn into a trending day, can't it? You can get half an hour sometimes of consolidation and then a big move for the rest of the day. And yeah, you end up potentially catching the big move, or you have a red day. My first day was purchasing indicator, try it out, and the market's moving like this. Mate, my first day, it was something similar. It was a Monday, and yeah, I think it was the worst day they had in about 3 weeks, I think. It's just how it goes, isn't it? But I think it's good to keep taking every trade, because if this ends up being like a decent trade, I might be able to break even on the day. Maybe even in the green, so... Again, if we take this high, I'll be trading aggressively again. I'm trying to get it into my head. As soon as we hit 50 points or take a level, I'm trading up aggressively behind every 1 minute bar, basically. Not even behind it, 80% of it. Been too many times where I've ended up giving profits back because I've not taken anything. But if I'd just held this, I'd have that'd have been a loss win, I think. But at least I caught 20 points out of it. Even better if I took the full 50 at the high, but. It's choppy so far, yeah. It's a nasty one today, Nathan, isn't it? I'll take one more win for the 1,000. Do you have a target for a payout? I need to build the accounts up, really. I mean, I need to be getting 200 plus days, $200 plus days, don't I? Before I can take a payout. Anyway, I think I need another 5 before I can even take a payout. I'm around 17, 19. I always forget which one it is. But until I scale the account up and then start risking more per trade, because I only do one-to-ones, I'm currently risking $50 a trade. Obviously, I'm never going to be hitting the 200 a day kind of thing. Especially at the minute, I'm trying to stick to 1 trade a day. If I see something really, really special, then I might do, but maybe get out one-to-one, something like that. Yeah. The trouble is, I think you rely on the bigger moves with this indicator. I think if you were doing one-to-ones, I don't think it would work out. Win rate, I think, is around 50%, 46%, something like that. Obviously, it'd be different if you were taking one-to-ones. You'd probably be winning more. But you need the trending day. Yeah, forget about that. We scaled down right. Then something changed to 150 for a green day. Or is that only on new accounts? I'm assuming it's only on new accounts. The trouble is, on my dashboard it says 200 still, so it must be for new accounts only. But I scaled down. I took 50% of the accounts out as a payout. So I took 3k out altogether. So grand. I think it was about 900 and something on each account, I think. And then yeah, since then I've been risking 50 a trade. just to make sure I don't lose them. Obviously, I'm not, or haven't been, at least trading profitably. So it just gives me a lot of breathing room to figure my shit out, basically. Now I'm starting to figure it out. I feel like I'm starting to build them back up. I think when I get to the account balance of 1,250, I'll start scaling the risk up slightly. Maybe like $65 per trade kind of thing. I like to leave myself a 20 losing streak buffer, basically. Come on, the Nasdaq, push through, man. That's what we're doing it, we're doing it. There you go, I've trailed my stop up. What I'm sort of experimenting with at the minute, basically 80% of the 1 minute bar that's taken the high or hit my 50-point target, I put my stop loss at 80% of that target. So just in case we do come down maybe to the 50%, maybe slightly more of that bar, I'm still safe if we keep going. And I sort of try and do that every bar. I've been doing this in back testing. Haven't done it actually live yet, so it's going to be a bit of a learning curve. See how to play it. They go out there. The idea is if we're getting like aggressive moves, then a lot of time that doesn't retrace that much. It just sort of maybe 50% of the candle then keeps going. If we do move more than that, come back more than that, then at least I'm out and I've secured as much as I can. What level was that? 462-ish. 50 points on that, nice. Damage isn't looking quite as bad now as it's 700. And also, I'm about 150 more in the red than I should be. Because on the first trade, I should have closed this out here, but I wasn't paying attention and got stopped out up here, so. Which cost me about 7 points. Rookie mistake, rookie mistake. So that should be at what, 560, if my quick maths is correct. Range bound, look out for a stronger move after 440 BSC, okay? Yeah, I think you could be right, mate. Banger, yes, mate. Got there in the end, got there in the end. 80% cancel will work well. Candle rule, yep. Yeah, the idea is if we've swept a level, there's a good chance we could fall back in anyway. And if we're getting to 50 points, I need to be taking profit. On a 150k account, 50 points is 1,000. So yeah, if I'm getting to 1,000, then I want to be taking profit at or near there as much as I can. Trouble is, it pulls back so quickly, you can easily lose half the trade, can't you? If you're not trading up that aggressively. Tip of a trader have that trading drawdown rule. Yes, only on the pro accounts though. Intraday trading on the pro accounts. Then if you go to live, the pro plus, it's gone. Then you don't. It's not there anymore. They've got rid of it. But yeah, it's only for the initial buffer. So until you're out of that buffer. So on the 150k, it's 4,500. Yeah, it's 4,500. So, like, even more reason to be trading up aggressively, like when I'm getting to, once I eventually pass this account, if I do ever, once I'm getting to 50 points, I need to be taking that basically. Can't be letting it come back against me, because that will fuck me over. Yeah, this is the thing that I've struggled with on this indicator, is knowing when to take profits. I mean, there's real art to trying to catch as much as you can without closing out too early and then missing out on the bigger trade. Just got to try and find that balance, haven't you? Was the news at 10? Yes. Job openings. Slightly less than forecasted. Really happy with this trade that I took on the practice account though. I'm gonna have to get up and show off my back testing for this this new thing that I've been trying out. I mean, this is probably one of the best performances I've had on back testing. 150k account. And yeah, I'm only about halfway through, maybe, yeah, halfway through April, I think. I also changed this up a little bit. I changed the times that I'm taking trades. So this is actually a small profit month. If I basically I was taking the trade up till lunch, the lunch hour, 12 o'clock. But then realised that isn't actually beneficial. I'm just losing more trades than I am. So now I cut off about 5 to 10, so literally 20 minutes, 25 minutes into the day, I'll to New York Open, I'll take a trade. If I'm in, then I'll hold it, but if I'm not, then I won't take one that day. And yeah, fucking results are pretty decent, to be fair. Win rate isn't amazing, but average win to loss RR 2 to 1, so yeah, it worked out quite nicely today. It's the first time I've traded it live, I think. We missed out in a short. We tried taking partials of the indicator strategy. No. I'm not opposed to it. I possibly might do in the future. But the main reason I haven't so far is because the options are on a 150k account is to trade 10 micros or 1 mini. And just for fees, I'd rather do 1 mini. And then it just forces me to close out the whole trade at the best possible exit, basically. The thing is, if I was taking partials, I would have maybe taken, what, half off at this level? Maybe quarter, that depends on what you want to do, maybe 3/4. Stop would have probably been, what, here? So we've just been stopped out on the rest for like, I don't know, 30 points less. I'd rather just trade up aggressively and get the 30 points. If I do end up missing a banger of a day, it happens, like. But I mean, to be honest, if it's not going aggressively up, then I probably don't want to be a part of it, because I'll probably end up getting stopped out anyway, wherever I try my stop to. And if it is going aggressively up, hopefully that way of trading works with the 80% of the 1 minute bars. But I mean, we'll see. I've only just started doing the 1 minute bars, the 80% rule, so I might find that doesn't work. Maybe I'll be better off doing micros and taking partials. You can only use 1 mini on a 150k. You can use 10. Obviously, 10 micros is the equivalent. But yeah, the recommended risk for 150k is either 1 mini or 10 micros. Basically, the guy who created the indicator has basically a set amount of contracts per account size. And yeah, for the 150k, it's 1 mini or 10 micros, whatever you prefer. Indicator using, I'm using a custom indicator one of my subscribers made. It's a paid indicator, and basically doesn't do very well in choppy conditions, so I'm down a bit today. But yeah, normally it catches decent trending sessions. And basically, yeah, tells you when to go long, tells you when to go short. And yeah, I had a long entry here at the candle close for the last trade, stopped out. Well, I can't move that stop loss. And where do they exit up there? There. Yeah, just over a 2 to 1 on this one in the end. And I had another long entry here as well. Didn't trail quite as good on this one. Yeah, it's a decent indicator that they're having good results. I've just been not doing amazing with it because I'm shit at taking profits. I get a bit greedy. I'm trying to improve on that. Like I thought it was take profit trader. Well, no, mate, no. It's just the sort of risk management that Matey's got set up. Hugh's got set up. Now with Take Profit Trader, it's 6 contracts on the 50k, I think. I can't remember what it is on the 150k. Let's try and find out. There we go. This is the max position sizes on Take Profit Trader. So yeah, 50k counts 6 contracts, 150k 15 contracts. Obviously, I'd never be trading 15 minis. That's insane. And obviously that's obviously times by 10 for the micros. So it'd be 60 micros or 6 minis on the 50k. It's like we're approaching the level that I was short from earlier. Interesting to see how we respond here. It's not something I'm interested in trading, but yeah, we had a decent rejection from that earlier today. Oh man, Jesus. Any top step traders? I've just had an email from them. Starting today, one bad day doesn't have to cost you your Express funded account. You can now reactivate any Express funded account that hasn't taken a payout up to 2 times. Fucking expensive though. $500 to reactivate a 50k Express funded if you haven't taken a payout on Top Step now. That is a new thing, innit? I remember them talking about it a while ago, but I don't think that they've implemented it yet. So I mean, it sort of depends on what sort of trader you are and how easy you think you'll be able to get an Express funded back. If you really struggle to do the combine, then it could potentially be worth it. Basically, are you going to spend more than $500 trying to get another combine, or is it better just to spend the $500 and reset your 50k Express funded? It's a difficult one, isn't it? Okay, I just been my funded last week. Yeah, I don't know how far back it goes. I don't know if it's from today. Oh yeah, it says starting today. I don't know if that means you can go back and reactivate old accounts or not. It's only available on the new Top Step dashboard. We just tapped into this level. How are we going to respond to them? Struggling a little bit. But so there's lots of buyers below though, lots of orders sitting on the book below. Man, too expensive, I know. It's like I said, I think it depends on how difficult you'll think it will be to pass another one. If you think, oh, I can pass a combine in a month or so, then it's not going to be worth it. But if it's going to be a struggle, then definitely an option. But yeah, 500 big wonders for a 50k is a lot of money, especially when you like consider the activation fee you'd have paid for that account as well. The last combine in 2 days, not worth it. No, my one is closed. And keep pumping. Yeah, I mean, if you do them in 2 days, definitely not worth it. I think it's more a profit won't go 100%. I think I mean, honestly, if you can't pass a combine in, how much are the combines these days? $100. If you can't pass a combine in 5 months, it might even be $50 for a 50k, innit? I can't remember anymore. Then if you reactivate your express funded, you're probably going to lose that anyway. I think if you took like 10k power from an account, paying 700 to get it back to it instantly is good. For someone that doesn't have a payout, it's like better to be passing than evac. Yeah. Struggling a little bit at this level. But they seem to be holding up though, don't they? They're absorbing it, they're eating it up. $50 USD, yeah, so that's what I mean, like it's probably not worth it, to be honest. Definitely not worth it. Far cheaper to pay $50 and try to pass it again. And Q's off as well, so that would have hit the full take profit there. So it would have had to have sat through a good 36 point pullback, which should have been horrible to sit through. Especially after the red day that I've had, so happy with where I set my profit, to be honest. Another little wedge sitting at 465. You can't. You can get a straight to funded account on Tradeify. That's a very good product firm for less money. Yeah, but Tradeify is not actually too expensive, is it, for a straight to funded? And yeah, I'm sure someone's said that to me before when we've been talking about the take profit trader, because you can do the same on take profit trader. You can reactivate the lost funded account. I think it's even more expensive, I think. Yeah, Tradeify is definitely the better option if you want to go that route. Trying to straight to funded 25. Need to hit 1,500 and I can request 1,000. Go for 2k, then take out 1k. Nice, solid man, nice. That's a good way to do it. Don't hoard too much money, and then better to take your profits while you've got them. Let us sell, so I thought I would try and flip it this week. Down 400. 400 days, nice. That's good, man, that's good. Yeah, I think I'd like to try Tradeify next, I think. Tradeify and My Funded Futures seem alright as well. My Funded Futures is never one that I've really looked into though. I always hear good things. And I think their rules are fairly straightforward and quite simple. Yeah, I'd like to try the Tradeify straight to funded stuff. That's sounds good. Easier than fucking trying to pass the challenges. They're sticking around. I'd be interested to know the if there's any like difference in percentage of profitable traders through the prop firms. Like, is Tradeify straight to funded accounts, the traders on there better traders, do you know what I mean? Like, maybe it helps with emotions going straight into a funded potentially. Apex I would have thought would have the least because their rules are a bit of a grey area sometimes for a lot of people. Take profit trader I imagine is like not amazing as well because of that intraday as well. I imagine that catches a lot of people out. I wonder if we're going to fail this level. Sellers have stepped up. Just keep making the week in the life videos. I love those videos. Sorry, mate. Yeah. They're just not for me. It's sort of taken me a little while to realise, but I don't enjoy making them. It's like I'm quite a private person. So I just don't have like the desire to pick up a camera and like show the backstory of my life. And also I don't do anything. Like I literally chill in my house most of the day. I might clean it, I might do some washing, might have some food. but I don't really go out and do anything interesting. And there's only so many times and ways that I can record and edit myself cleaning my house. You know what I mean? I get bored doing it myself, let alone people watching it. I think I was mainly doing them because that was the sort of video that did the best on my channel, so it's just sort of forcing myself to do them. But when you like really don't enjoy doing something, you have zero motivation to do it, so then I'm just not putting the effort in to make them good. And it's just probably just a waste of time all round. It's a waste of people's time because it's probably not decent videos because I'm not putting a lot of effort in. I don't enjoy doing it. Maybe just show the trades of it. Yeah, so I'm thinking about doing that because I am also a bit of a crossroads of sort of what I sort of want to do. I enjoy the live streaming because I'm trading anyway and I enjoy hanging out with everyone. And yeah, doing like a week update on my trades I think is doable, but I don't know if I'd like show every single trade just because I feel like it gets a bit boring. But maybe like a recap and like show a couple of trades for the day, or yeah, I need to have a good think about it. Yes, doing like a week update of my sort of trades and where I'm at and sort of thing is something I'm considering. But I think I'm done with the day in the life stuff, at least for a while. You got the vision. Yeah, I mean, maybe one day, like if I'm doing a bit more, I wouldn't mind doing them again. But I'm also like, I get like really embarrassed about recording it, so I don't love walking around the street or the shops or whatever with a camera like this, talking to myself, because I feel like a right knob. It's bad enough doing it at my own house, let alone around the shop. But maybe in the distant future, when I've got like the dream house, bit of land, I won't mind like recording myself in my garden and stuff like that, doing some work out there maybe and shit like that. Like, but I'm never gonna be a oh look at my Lambo kind of thing. That's not me. Yeah, maybe day in the life of a trader on his homestead or something. So yeah, for me to be sort of confident that we're continuing up this, I'd be wanting to see this 15-minute close above this previous week value very low. 5 minutes looking like it's finding support, but I am sorry that I'm not doing the week in the life videos anymore, because I know that's what people liked, but I just haven't got it in me. And also as well, I've got a baby due in like 4 weeks, and there's no chance I'm going to be recording my home life when I've got a newborn baby kicking around. So I found your channel. Yeah, I think it's probably how a lot of people found it. I think I used to get about 500-600 views on a video, and I was just doing, that was when I was living in a van, and I was just doing I think I was doing maybe even daily videos, or maybe weekly, I can't remember, on how I was doing. And that was purely pretty much just trading alone. And yeah, I used to get about 500 views sort of maximum on them. And I started doing like weekly vlog kind of videos, and I was getting like a few thousand. I thought, all right, this is what I got to do then, because this is what people want to see. But if you don't feel passionate about something, you're not going to put the effort in to make it work. So it's a waste of time really for me. I mean, it's a good lesson for business. If you ever wanted to start a business, I think you have to do it in something that you feel passionate about, because if you don't, you're going to run out of steam. It takes years of like earning like no money and not paying yourself a paycheck and hard graft and fucking failures and stuff like that. And if you don't feel passionate about it, you ain't got hope in hell of making it work. Not like I've got any experience of a profitable business, but I've probably got lots of failed business experience. So I've tried lots of things, and yeah, if I don't have interest in it, I don't do it. I can't keep doing it. Set up a little limit on the practice, looking to long from here. I don't know if I'll be filled, but yeah, I thought I enjoyed carpentry. I went out on my own and shit got hard. It's fun when it's going smooth. Yeah, it's when it's rough and it's hard work. If you've got the passion behind you to drive you through it, then you'll be fine. But if you don't feel passionate about it, then it's just a job in it, and you ain't gonna see it through. You ain't gonna put the effort in that's needed. I'm very short on the practice account. Oh yeah, nice man. I'm liking the idea of longs, but it's not something I feel amazingly confident in, because we're obviously otherwise I'll take it on the funded. I don't ever really do break and retest too much. Where's my take profit and stop loss? Oh, it's because I changed the bracket orders. Fading, yeah. we might pop short. There's a good chance we can pop short. With like break and retest, I'd sort of try and wait for the 15-minute to close, because otherwise I've seen it before where the 5-minute looks good, we get above it, and then we suddenly fall back below the next bar. So how's Nasdaq doing? That's me done on the Take Profit Trader account today. Stopped trading this at 11. Man, my voice is struggling today. I'm chatting too much shit. I'm sweating. For some reason I get a bit hot when I'm trading. I suppose it makes sense really. But... Nice reaction there, didn't we? I think I'm going to call it, boys. I'm not going to hang about for a practice trade. Could be here for another half hour. It's looking good. I'll leave it up and running. Not that it matters, but oh, we might get it. We might get it. They're not too bad of a day, so I am up 150 overall, 3 funded accounts. Shorting from here earlier this morning during the London session. 1 winning trade on the practice account, potentially 2 if this wins. And I'm down about 35 points on the take profit trader challenge account that I'm doing on the indicator. Choppy day for it today, and yeah, it doesn't do amazing in the choppy sessions. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Yes, I'll see you all tomorrow, boys, if you're around. See you later, solid mate. And yeah, cheers stopping by, guys, and yeah, have a good one and take it easy. See you later.